everyone, this is Ben with Hotsy Equipment Company, your Midwest leader in pressure washer sales and service, proudly serving Nebraska, southwest Iowa, and northern Kansas. The weather in Nebraska is getting rather chilly, so we thought now would be a great time to talk about when, why, and how to winterize your pressure washer. When? It's not uncommon to find pressure washers stored in unheated shops or transported in open-air truck beds during winter months. In general, if you think your pressure washer is going to be exposed to freezing conditions, do yourself a favor and winterize. Why? When idle water in your washer freezes, it expands, potentially damaging your pressure washer's trigger, hose, pump, and/or heating coil. If components crack due to freezing, the cost of replacement parts can add up quick. How? The first step in winterizing your pressure washer is to pick up some antifreeze. For fellow Midwesterners, I recommend an RV marine fluid that's rated at a -50 degrees Fahrenheit. You can find some at your local hardware store for less than $3 a gallon. And the average pressure washer is going to take between 3 and 5 gallons of antifreeze fluid. On machines with float tanks, pour your antifreeze into the tank. Remove the nozzle from the end of your trigger gun. Turn on your pressure washer's pump and squeeze the trigger. Refill your float tank as necessary. Once your stream matches the color of your antifreeze, you're done. Winterizing a pressure washer without a float tank requires highly specialized equipment, a 5-gallon bucket and a 2.5-foot stretch of old garden hose. Connect your stretch of hose to the washer's water inlet and drop the open end into your bucket of antifreeze. Remove the nozzle from your trigger gun, turn on the pump, and squeeze the trigger. Just as before, when the stream matches the color of your antifreeze, you're done. And that's it. You're now armed with the knowledge to protect your Hotsy pressure washer against winter's chilly chill. For more information on the pressure washers you've seen here, or to schedule a free demo, visit hotsyequipment.com. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook to be notified when more become available. Thanks for watching, and remember, nothing cleans like a Hotsy.